My name is Declan McStravick. I'm the site manager here in AG 5 Milltown. Well, the company has a commitment to reduce carbon, so everything we do now has that as the main item on the agenda. We're now in a position that we can say that we manufacture with 100% renewable energy, and the project that we're going to go on to discuss was a major benefit to us in that regard. There's a working quarry here in 5 Milltown. Manic are blasting and crushing that down to a 90 mil down product, and then we feed that through the wash plant here in 5 Milltown, and we make our various sizes for concrete production. So the plant was put in to give us a high quality, clean aggregate. When the project was specced out, we were able to get a renewable source of energy to supply that particular plant. In partnership with the Bothwells beside us, which is another big aspect of this, they have an anaerobic digester which is making a biomethane gas. The gas is then piped over to a generator which is generating electricity, which is put in through that part of the site's transformer, and the transformer is feeding through to the wash plant that is sitting behind me. Washing and crushing aggregates is being run by that generator from that biomethane source.
I'm Stephen Bothwell, a farm here with my brother Rodney and father Wilfred, Tullywheel Farms. We run primarily a dairy herd of 150 cows. We now have an AD plant for the past 10 years. For my father, the farming here this last number of years, my brother and I was here and we needed something else to generate an income on the farm. The anaerobic digestion process, it suits farming because we can use the slurry from the dairy cows and silage that is used off the land, farmyard manure. We do get in some byproducts like whey from the cheese industry. So it goes into basically a large circular tank that is mixed at 40 to 45 degrees, and then the gas comes off it. The day-to-day running of the plant is feeding the Flegal system that fills the plant. Approximately about 35 to 40 tonnes of material goes in a day, and that the process has to be kept very stable because it's all to do with bacteria. The same as people's stomachs, the bacteria has to be at a correct level and not changes too much. So that makes sure that your bacteria in the digester is healthy, and that's what creates the biogas. For farming purposes, the AD plant works really well because it fills a full circle with the animal manure going into the digester. The digester then creates a gas of it to make electric, but from the end product is a product called digest, and the digest is high in nitrogen. So the digest is good for the ground. So it goes on the ground, grows the silage again, then for using for the anaerobic digester. So it works really well and it creates a full circle of everything.